understand that time carries most of the weight, that we're jumping around too much. So if you think about it, there's no way when your day, what day is this on right now?
2577.
Yeah, so 2576 ago, there's no way you thought you'd be where you are. But you didn't jump around. You're compounding into one separate company. When you think about like Toby Luque, right? He wants to sell, not surfboards.
Snowboards.
Thank you, snowboards. I can't, for God's sake. He wants to sell snowboards, and he's like, I can't, this like e-commerce store software sucks. And he's gonna sit, he's the only employee when I gonna turn to Shopify, and he's working in his in-laws at a desk in a spare bedroom because he didn't have any money at his in-laws house. And like 21 years later, because he just kept had that idea and make it a little bit better every single day, you can't predict, what is it, like $200 billion company, whatever it is. James Dyson, who I got to meet, which is my absolute hero, and really inspired me to not give up in those 5.5 years. It's like, guys trying to build a world's first cyclonic vacuum cleaner. He didn't take 14 years later, 5,127 prototypes. That first of all, take that long. And then now you fast forward, he's like 40 years old, 45 at that point. When I met him, he's 78 years old. And there's no way he thought, right, when he was doing that he's going to own 100% of one of the world's most valuable privately held companies. He won't sell the company. We told this story yesterday. But if he did, he'd sell between $60 and $80 billion. He doesn't have outside shareholders. There's no way you can predict any of this. Henry Ford, you talked about the car. He was just trying to figure out a way to automate because he grew up on a farm. It's like, I hate doing farm work. Got interested in machinery, then the fact that it got interested in machinery led into cars, and they had one single idea. Hey, we're hand building cars. We're making like 5 cents a day. These things cost $6,000. Like, I should try to build a car for everyman. He had a single idea. And then you fast forward 20 years, it took him 20 years to build that company. By 1919, he bought out all the shareholders, and he owned 100% of one of the most valuable private companies in the world. And he's selling, at that time, I think it was something like 15 million Model Ts or something like that. It's just like time carries most of the weight. Just find a mission you actually believe in, and just stay there.
Great place to close. Thank you guys. We'll open up